will ask Jarish to change the action of his personal extension to add to contact, and then he gave me this link. So right now I don't have the app installed, and if I click here, this app will actually take me to the Play Store, and if I was on iOS, then it would take me to App Store. So right now it is asking me to install the app, and I will install the app. Okay, so app is installed. Now I will click on open. Okay, so right now I don't have any account, and I will click on start from scratch. So I will complete the sign up process now. Okay, so I click let's go. And now as I had used the Jarish link, so Jarish must be my contact now. So I will just go to contacts tab from the options and see Jarish is my contact now.